If your video clip is blurry, low resolution, or full of noise, and you are this close to deleting it, pause, because that footage isn't useless anymore. With Filmora's new Topaz Ai Starlight, even the worst looking clips can get a second chance. In this video, I'll show you how to use Filmora's Topaz Ai Starlight to upscale low resolution videos, reduce noise, and sharpen details in a way that feels very real. Hi everybody, Innocent here and welcome to the channel. Over here we make videos like this, and if that's something that sounds like you're interested, kindly consider subscribing. Before we jump into the tutorial, and to make sure that we are on the same page, kindly make sure that you're using the latest version of Filmora, and I'll put a link in the description if you want to download it right away. Now all that you need to do is head over to the official website, download the latest version, and install it on your computer. Afterwards, you're going to open your Filmora and you should have something like this. We're going to create a new project, so you click on the new project. The first thing you need to do is import your video. So you go to import and then you can bring in your videos. Now you are going to drag it onto the timeline and you can play it back and see how it looks like. So there are a bit of noise on the video, so we want to use Filmora Topaz Starlight to get rid of those noises. To do that, you're going to double click on your footage and then you go to the video details. You are going to scroll down until you see Enhance and Topaz Starlight. For this video, we are going to use the Topaz Starlight, so you select it and then you click on Generate. Now you're going to wait a bit until the processing is done. Now afterwards, you can play back the before and the after. You can notice the subtle details that it has added onto this video. It has taken off the noise and it has enriched the video to make it look more detailed. We can try another example. So import another video, you double click on the footage and then you go to Topaz Ai Starlight. After a few minutes, it is going to improve the video, and this is the before and this is the after. So here are a few clips of the before and the after of using Topaz Ai Starlight. Now, why should you use Topaz Ai? Topaz Ai becomes very useful when you are dealing with old videos, blurry videos, or generally footages that are of low quality. Or better still, if your footage is even high quality but you want to scale it up a bit more, you can use Topaz Ai Starlight. The advantages to using Topaz Ai is numerous. It enhances your footages with precise details, and even much better, it does all of this while maintaining the key visuals of your video, and it maintains the natural look of your video. So yeah, instead of reshooting or re-recording or giving up on the video or the clip that you might be considering useless, you can rescue it, you can enhance it, and you can make it look clean, sharp, and ready for your next video. And you can do all of this using Topaz Ai Starlight in Filmora 15. Let me know your thoughts about this feature and this upgrade in Filmora 15, and don't forget to head over to the official website to download Filmora 15 and try it out for yourself and create your own amazing video with Wondershare Filmora. Thank you so much for sticking around to watch this video. I'll see you guys in the next video. It's Innocent here, and bye.